Here's Dakota. Welcome to Dakota Family. This is Jason. We're outside playing with leaves. Dakota says it's changing. We don't rake the leaves up because Dakota likes to play with them. And it's okay. When summer comes, they'll get mold and all that. Here's my boy. Anyways, it's a busy weekend. The kids have been helping out a lot. We've been trying to help out a little bit too. You know, I get kind of upset real easily because we can't keep decorations and all that. Kids allow him to play with it and all that, and it just upsets me throughout the year, and then we don't have no decorations. It makes me mad, but that's okay. That's life. There's Dakota. Dakota's my boy. Yeah, good boy. What do you want? Get some more leaves. Are you wanting the wind to blow? Say blow. Yeah, that's what's on. For those of you new to the channel, Dakota is nonverbal autistic. He's 10, gonna be 11 in December. He knows very few words, but he knows how to get what he wants and what he needs. And he's happy. He is so happy right now. He's showing off. Yeah. Look at that beautiful boy. I just love him. Good job. Dakota's expressing himself in his own way. Pick up some leaves. Dakota's showing off. Say daddy. Where's daddy, Dakota? Dakota, where's daddy? Dakota's so cute. Yeah, just enjoying a fall day. This is Saturday afternoon. Halloween's just a few days away. We're gonna be doing a trunk or treat at the high school Wednesday. We'll probably go do inside Halloween because it's supposed to be kind of cold and nippy, and the weather's going to be changing. It's going to be rainy, chance of snow November 1st, so mid-Missouri it's going to be a poopy weather. Ha! Dakota's calmed down now. He's thinking. He likes playing with leaves. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Sim! Stemming its repetitive behavior. Right now he's expressing how he feels. It looks to me like he's happy, he's energized, he's been having a good day, been doing what he wants, when he wants. He got in the bathtub and played. He just do everything. His new thing is he tries to get into the bathtub with his clothes on, so we have to explain to him to do it the right way. Yeah, but Dakota's happy. But Dakota wants to know, are you ready for winter? You ready for that snow? I am. We're snow lovers. We love snow. We don't get enough snow in our area. There was a few years, we got a total of 4 years together. We had 4 years together, we had like 8 inches of snow with that. I want some snow because I like driving in it. I know, I'm weird. But there's my boy. Because you need to get off that concrete, sweetie. It's cold. But anyways, I know I've been doing a lot of videos, but You know, this is what it's about, autism awareness. We're letting Dakota have fun. So, everybody, if anybody wants to sponsor Dakota this year to go on to trick-or-treating because we're going to go out of town, feel free to donate to our PayPal. Don't have to. Donate your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And watch our videos. Bye.